Good day, boss. I would like to show you how to buy the ticket for Turkish airline using this system. First, choose the country where you dey. Since na Russia, you go to Russia. Then click here. Then use the English default. With this one, it go dey very easy. Click on English. Okay. Since na multiple tickets you go like to buy, just ignore this round trip or one way option. Take this option here, the one for multi-city, then click on it. Now, with this multi-city, you go fit add different flights. As in here, you go see say dem put only flight 1. Since you would like to buy from Milan to Lagos, then from Lagos to Moscow, then the last trip from Moscow to Milan, you go come here, you go click add flight 1, then you go click again add flight 2. This way you go make 3 trip, flight 1, flight 2, and flight 3. Now you go choose the following. Choose the following. Here you go put you go choose the country. Here you go choose the country where should they go from. That's Italy. Italy, the airport where she go fly na Milan. Then from Milan to Lagos, Lagos. Then you go choose this date, any of the dates where they suitable. Right now, we find out say for on the 13th, you know go good make she take on the 13th, because if you take on the 13th now, on the 14th in the night she go reach Nigeria. So I choose on the 12th, which is on Saturday. Then for the return trip, you go put Lagos here. Then directly to Moscow. Just put Moscow, all airports. Or if you know the airport going on for Moscow, choose any of the 2. But me, I put Moscow, all airports. Then for the return flight, if everything go according to plan, she's supposed to come back on the 19th of January. Then for the last flight, where she go use come back to Italy, if you put for here Moscow, all airports. Then you go choose here Milan, Malpensa. Since she go dey come, she says she wants to spend 3 weeks. So that could be approximately, if you go from on the 19th from Lagos, she go reach your place from on the 20th. Then she go come back to Italy from there on the 9th. Then for the cabin selection, just put economy, which is the cheapest. Then for this passenger details, now just 1 person, that's all. Then you go next. Okay, now if you open, it will show you the option where you go choose. And I beg, since you dey buy the ticket, make sure say this date and the time they correct. You go see for here, the first place they write Milan to Lagos. That's from Italy here to Lagos. Even if you go do stopover for Istanbul, they no go write down. They go just write Milan to Lagos. Then here, if you check the flight details, it will give you all the information about the flight. That means they go first come out from Milan for 8:40. They go reach Istanbul for 12:25. Then they will come take off from Istanbul 2:50. They go reach Lagos for 9:20. Close. We'll close this one now. Okay. Since this information for here they correct like that, we'll choose continue. That means for this flight from Milan to Lagos, we don't accept this one. Okay. Then the next one where you go choose now from Lagos to Moscow. Here, almost all did the same thing, but it dey always dey better to choose the one we get the lowest duration of time for the flight, which is this one. As in here, they write say it will take 11 hours, 50 minutes from Lagos to Moscow. But if you look all others, now almost like 15 hours, 15 hours with two stop. This kind of long journey like that, person they take too tired. So for me, I not just they go too far like that. I will just take the one we get the lowest duration of time, which is the first one here for 15 hours. I mean, 11 hours 50 minutes. So that one done already they checked. Then, like secondly again, you go check the flight details to make sure say they correct. So the flight they take off from Lagos for on the 19th. That's 10:35. It go reach Istanbul for 6 o'clock the next day. Then they go take off from 8:35. Then for Istanbul, they go reach Moscow for 1:25. Okay, since we don't choose this option here, the next thing we will just do now, we go down, we do continue. Okay, now for the last flight to come from Moscow come Milan, like the way I explained to you earlier also, you go look for the one we get the lowest time of departure and which you go feel reach here early. If you feel say okay, she feel come out 6:30 in the morning, which I believe say no, you go there too early, or if you just extend them to this one, where you go come off for Moscow for 2:35 in the afternoon, she go reach Italy here for 11 o'clock. Then maybe somebody go feel go pick her from airport. Or if not, she fit still take the next one of she fit take the next one of five. If you take the next one of 5:40 from Moscow, and if we look the flight details here, she go reach Milan by 11 o'clock in the night. So me, I prefer to take this one because this one and this one of 2 o'clock now almost the same flight, only that this one it will take 11 hours to reach Italy, but this one will take 8 hours 20 minutes. So I will go for this one. Then the next way you go do now, you will go check price. Then now it will show you like all the flight information on for this flight, as in the time, the duration of the flight, and everything. Since we don't already check them before, then it will show us for here. Now it will tell you the total amount for the flight, which is 1,290. If you agree with the price, just go click the next one, travelers details. Okay, now what you have to do here is like just enter all the information we they need. Our first name, our last name. This one preferred mail, you feel leave and you don't need them. If not toxin citizen, you don't need all this one, you just ignore them. Then here you go put your own email address. Since now you the buyer, they go send you the email address. Then you go retap the email address. Then here you go put her own telephone number for Italy. Why? Because the reason why you go put her own telephone number is say if anything there for the flight, maybe change your flight or anything, they go send her directly to our own telephone number. Then after that one, you click next. So for example, now I will just add my own name here so that we'll finish the next page. If not, you know go give me. You know go let me go the next page. So I'll put mixed. Here I'm not choosing anything. None. Here nothing. Then here I go put the telephone number like I tell you. Here I go choose the country code. 69 Italy. I'll put +39 329 873 5353. Yeah, I go choose Italy 329 873 5353. Then I go next. Then read all the information we they write for here like that. And then here seat selection. You fit choose where you want sit down put for the flight. So they say, okay, yeah. Yeah, not to like. Okay, so what can we select seat? But you're not sure anywhere where I go see we select seat. So to me, I think I go ignore that one. Then I'll go next. Okay, now they tell me say, okay, make I put my date of birth because I omit that one. So I'll just put any date of birth. Since I know they buy the ticket, I'll just show you how to buy the ticket. Okay, I'm not getting any of this card, you know me. Then I'll just go next. Then for the seat selection, they go do automatic seat selection for her. Okay. Then if you reach this place, it will show you everything again for the flight details on the time, the date. I beg, make sure say you look am very, very, very well before you go ahead. Make sure say you look everything very, 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 very well. This way, you no go fit make any mistake at all. You go control the date of arrival, the time of arrival. Make sure say everything dey okay before you go the next step. Okay, now you don write the total amount come out 1,290 euro 27 cents. Then I'll tell them I want to pay via credit card. Then depending on the credit card where you want use, okay, here they go ask you this information. If the credit card na your own, they go ask you this information. Say, is the credit card holder traveling? If na you, yes. Since no be you, go tell them say no. Then they go write the name, as in the name wey dey on top of the credit card. As in no be the name of the passenger, as in the name wey dey on top of the credit card. You go write am for here, Mr. whatever. Then you go put here your own email address. Here too, you go put your own email address. Then here you go enter the credit card details, number, everything, and the PIN number. The PIN number dey the back, the 3-code number. Then here you go enter the address of the person who get the credit card. Then after that one, you tell them say you tick here, then you go next. But make sure say before you click this next, all this information wey dey up here, everything dey correct, as in to when the person did go and come back. Then after that one, you click next. If you click this next button, wait at least 1 minute, because sometimes if you click the next button, it will show you say the payment no go or something like that. Just wait at least 1 minute. That's all. So with this small video where I don't show you, so if you fit do it like this, you fit buy the ticket. Then if you buy the ticket, they go send you email confirmation of the ticket, say the ticket has been booked and everything. With that email confirmation, you fit print that out here and then go straight to the airport. Okay now. So I hope say you understand the way I used to do everything for you like this. So take care of us.